Well, sit.
Sit.
No, it might have almost gone back.
Oh, a ball.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa.
Ball.
A new
Ball.
ball.
Oh, ball.
Oh, look at all this stuff. A new ball? Here. I got a new ball.
Ball.
Oh. 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 Look, my new ball. Oh.
To Ethan. Love from
Yeah.
Mom and Dad.
Battery empty.
Is that your new battery?
With the camera. Yeah, because
Well, they might not have been charged.
when I first put it in, it was. There it is.
You found it?
Have you got a ball, Ethan? Ethan, where's your ball?
Whoa.
Ball.
From Mom and Dad. Whoa.
What's that?
A suit.
Oh, look.
You
Rain
want
suit.
some road
Lie down.
construction?
Stay.
Nice.
Yeah, we won't miss you.
That's
Awesome.
coin.
What you got there?
Oh, that's pretty
Have you got the
sweet,
ball?
bro.
Cheerios, but I can't find the coin.
Yeah.
Haha.
Sure.
Where's
That's
Mummy?
Yeah.
Where's Mummy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's Mum. Where's Mummy? And who's that from?
And then lie down.
This is for each little man
No,
from
come
the
on.
Sedin brothers.
Sweetie, put
Mister.
your head here, okay?
You might want to
Yeah.
help with this one a little bit gently. That one, I think. Well, you can rip it however you want. No, I got distracted. Sorry.
Love that.
No, you know,
Because
Oh,
I've been looking everywhere.
hey, Sig.
probably under. No, it's probably
Roscoe's checking out your present.
Okay, it's maybe under all this.
No.
Oh, good.
Oh.
Nice.
Keep an eye on him if he's picking stuff up. You like that? He sure likes balls, doesn't he?
Yeah. He's gonna be an
Is it your
athlete.
ball? There's another ball.
Oh, Mister.
Oh.
Ethan, Montana.
Very first Canucks Christmas ornament.
Very first Canucks one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ooh, thanks, Mom.
You gotta be careful with that ball.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Maybe you should play with this one.
You didn't even put up a tree this year.
No.
Next year you'll have a tree.
Hey, Tig, did you check out the new video camera we got?
I'll decorate.
We got for the show?
Check that one out.
New HD flip. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So good. I hear they're like super good quality.
Well,
Yeah.
That's killer.
it's a squishy one. That's a good one.
Look how small it is too.
Yeah, I see that.
So compact.
Oh, here,
Hey.
where's that another coin?
I got a coin in my pocket if you need one. You need one?
Here's the other one.
Oh,
But that's the one I think that I got. I might not be lucky enough.
Just left to play with the ball.
Negative about it. I'm wondering if it's under the roof right here.
Oh, Chuck.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yours?
There you go.
Ethan.
Oh.
It's just
Yes. Mister.
Man, I don't remember getting that much Canucks gear.
Whoa!
Home and away bib.
yeah,
Yes.
because it's not fits anymore.
Oh, he's starting to drool a lot again.
Yeah, we should use bibs. His clothes get so mucky.
A home and away bib.
Yeah. Nice. Pulled up his home and away bibs.
No, not necessarily. Well,
Hey, thanks, you guys.
there's other, there's
Wicked
other.
like winter socks. That's great.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Thanks.
It's funny when it first comes on, it says the batteries are dead, but then if I turn it on again, that's fine.
Weird, eh?
Hey. Oh, look at
Maybe it's just a glitch.
Uh-oh.
oh.
Oh, your new Canucks bib? No? Happy with the ball?
I'm fine.
This is all I'm going to play with.
Well,
Forever.
Mister.
Forever.
Garbage there?
Guess what this is.
Oh.
Oh. The big guns.
No, I'm not interested.
Might be another ball.
Oh, look at
Way
that.
short.
Oh,
Ethan.
another ball. Oh.
Oh, it's a football.
That's awesome.
Well, not that high, I guess.
Yee-hoo.
He's like,
Ah,
Yeah.
you got two balls
Love it.
now.
Because I really do feel very careful with turning it. I really do feel that.
Yeah, the simplest, most
Yeah.
basic, cheap toys are the.
Uh-huh.
It's amazing, eh?
I saw that. But maybe it went all the way.
It might have rolled. We're looking for a penny, so everybody keep an eye on it.
Did you look in
Okay,
the
yeah.
stuff on the chair?
Yeah,
No, I think hit the ground.
it hit
Okay.
the ground. But
Ethan,
Underneath the
it
bookshelf?
could be.
Yeah.
It could be in your stuff.
where's the ball?
No, it didn't.
Yes, it could be.
You had him looking there, Tig, for a second.
Hey, Ethan, where's your new ball? Oh, where is it?
No,
That's
it's
okay.
not.
No, yours
It didn't come.
That's okay.
Where's the new ball?
I'll just have to win without it. That's all.
The camera goes funny when it flashes.
Oh, 2 balls. Okay, here.
There you go. That's killer.
get a shot
Looks
from this
like
side,
a
Mum, for you?
freaking small star.
Sweetie, do you want me to get some video and you
Go
can help him
ahead.
with a few presents?
Future QB.
Okay.
Nice shot, Tig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Future
I'll have to get you
QB
to
right there.
email me all the best shots.
Wicked.
QB right there.
Good boy. Look at you. You got your little head
Playing with
right.
your new rain suit?
Great. Let's have him a beer and he's sat here just sat.
Oh, what do we got here?
Well, I don't know what that is.
What did you say?
Maybe it's the wrong thing. Oh, no, that's not it. Okay.
Oh, a little Canucks nightlight.
Oh!
Wow, that's
Ooh! What you got there, fella?
Ah,
nice. It's your new
That's something to keep you awake at night.
Yeah. Well, I can totally see his tooth right now.
Something to
That's
keep
a
you
big
awake
smile.
at night.
that is a big smile.
Can you
Yeah.
pass me his football, sweetie?
Daddy can barely catch it,
There you
Ethan.
go. There you go. There's your football. Put this back.
Which parcel is his dad's shoes in? Are his dad's shoes? Or just sports equipment?
Yeah, I think those are his ballet slippers there.
Those are valid. Yeah, they are actually, yeah. Okay, great.
Ethan, go see your gift. Go see your gift. What'd you get?
Oh, yeah.
That's hilarious.
Put the little
Yes.
flaps down. Looks like Bob and Doug McKenzie.